Hello, today we will guide you through how to draw a trend line in Exness App. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and practical so you can follow along on your own device without any confusion. A trend line is a helpful charting tool that lets you visually connect price movement on a chart, making it easier to spot direction and structure. If you're ready, let's begin. First, open the Exness app on your device. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so all the navigation options appear clearly on screen. Starting from the home interface makes it easier to follow each step in order. Next, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen. This section is where you can access trading instruments and their charts. If you are looking at a different tab when the app opens, just move to the bottom navigation bar and select Trade to continue. After that, select a sample symbol. This simply means choosing the market or instrument where you want to view the chart. You can use any available symbol for practice if you're just learning how the drawing tools work. The important thing here is to open a chart where the trend line can be placed. Once the chart is visible, look to the toolbar panel on the left side and tap on Trend Line. This opens the drawing tool option you'll use to mark direction on the chart. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct tool from the side panel, especially if multiple chart tools are displayed. Then, tap on Trend Line again if prompted. In some chart interfaces, the second tap confirms the exact drawing tool you want to use. This helps activate the tool before placing it on the chart itself. Now tap on the chart to add the trend line. This is the step where the line is placed onto the price chart. Depending on how the app responds, you may need to position it carefully so it aligns with the area you want to mark. For the best result, place it where the chart shows a clear directional movement, since trend lines are most useful when they connect visible highs or lows. And that's it. You've successfully added a trend line in the Exness app. As a quick tip, if the line doesn't appear exactly where you want it, simply try again and position it more precisely on the chart. With a little practice, using chart tools like this becomes much faster and more intuitive. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you understand how to draw a trend line in the Exness app.